Cehennem bir insanın adeta karabasan görmesi gibidir. Yani böyle kabus görmesi gibidir. Zaten yani nereye baksa, neye dokunsa dehşet vericidir. Yani mesela oranın bir taşı bile onun için çok korkunçtur ve çok rahatsız edicidir.
Hell is literally like someone having a nightmare. Whatever one sees or touches is terrifying. Even a stone there, for instance, is terrifying and disturbing. Plants there are terrifying. There are plants there with Satan's head. The fruit resembles Satan and has eyes and looks at them with hatred and aggression. How can they even reach out to pick it? It smells disgusting and is utterly horrible. Trying to eat anything is another nightmare. They see hatred everywhere, even when they sit down to eat. The places they live upset them. Wherever they go is a complete nightmare for them. The animals there will not resemble animals, but will appear before them as terrifying entities.